Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today we are going to see another new topic, lesson 2, family. See, when we hear the word family, it is when we hear itself, it gives some excitement, a joy. Yes or no? See, morning we come outside, like you are coming to school, and mother and father are going for work. See, when we come back to the family, how it is evening when everybody come back to home and seeing each other and talking to each other, how joyful it is. Yes or no? Yes, today we are going to see about family. See, you already know that the members of a family are related to one another and live together. Sometimes the members of a family leave the main family for various reasons like marriage, job, educations, etc., and make their own separate family. So over the years there has been a number of changes in the structure of the family. So today we are going to understand the importance of a family and get introduced to the family trees, and we are going to identify the changes in the structure of the family. See, over a period, see, before your grandfather, grandparents, how they were, we don't know. We are going to study today. Okay, so we are going to understand the features of nuclear family and joint family, and identifying the relationship based on the signs in the family tree. Okay, so how many of them like family, like staying with the family, staying with the grandparents? Yeah, everybody likes, because see, it is a blood related. Yes or no? We live together with love and affection. We show our love to each other. So, yes or no? We show our love to our brother, sister, and mother will cook good food for us. She shows her love like that. Father, he is going and earning and coming, and he is looking after the family very well. How much difficulties, many things he may undergo, but he will never show that to us. Yes or no? Father is such a sweet person, hardworking person, who wanted to show the love to the family. Yes or no? So family in general, say, I would like to tell you, in terms of sociology, a primary social group consisting of parents and their offsprings, the principal function of which is provision for its members. See what it means? It means the family means it is a blood related. Father should be there, a mother should be there, and the children should be there. Okay, see, another important thing, what is the responsibility of parents, grandparents, and children? Do you understand that? Do you know that? What is the responsibilities? What are the role we have to do in a family? Yes, we will learn each and everything. We will learn. Okay, see, we in some family, see, how many of them have grandfather, auntie, uncles, kids, cousins? How many of them are living together like that? And how many of them houses here, mommy, daddy, you and your brothers or siblings? See, how many of them are like that? See, only few are living with the grandparents, aunties, uncles. See, if you live that togetherness, it will teach the child about being a human, about their values, and about whether or not others are to be loved or trusted. See, years later, early family experience, still affect most people's outlooks on themselves and on the world. A child with a supportive, trusting, loving family often grows up secure with a secure sense of belonging and acceptance. See, our parents, what they will do, see, they earn, yes or no, they earn, they go and work hard to meet all the needs of the family. So they are managing, parents are managing the home. See, whether you have boost, whether you have milk, whether you have rough note, whether you have pencil, scale, whether you have dress, whatever it is, whether you want cycle, all that things they are buying and giving you, yes or no? And they are giving you a quality life, not quantity. They are giving us a quality and hygienic life, yes or no? So they give us good education. My parents also gave me education, and your parents also giving education, and as a parent I am also giving good education to my children, my own children. Okay, so we are giving a healthy food, good environment, everything. Okay, and also we are teaching you what are the customs and the culture, what we follow from generation to generation. We are teaching that, we are telling that, okay, girls, boys, for everybody, how our grandparents taught us, like that we are teaching that to our children. Our parents are teaching us, and you are, as you grow, you are going to teach, yes or no? See, when the grandparents are there in the family, they give good advice, yes or no? If grandparents are there, grandparents will give good advice. See, for example, if daddy wanted to buy something, see, father will go and tell his parents, your grandfather, maybe father may tell, grandfather may tell, you know, pa, because this now this financial, this is crucial, we can't get it now, so we'll later we'll buy 1 or 2 months later, like that. They will discuss this, they will give the suggestions for the problems in the family, and also they will guide the entire family, yes or no? They will teach us how to spend money, especially they will teach us how to spend the money, and also know what are the have you seen the grandmother? She will wash the vessels, sometimes she will sweep the house, she will clean and keep everything. Sometimes when your grandmother cooks, it will taste very, very delicious, yes or no? Grandparents will cook nicely, they will show, like what to tell, they will care us very nicely, they will love, and they will show sympathy to us, yes or no? Because they all are retired. Some grandparents are retired and they are staying at home, some they are educated, some they are uneducated, but still they will show that respect, yes or no? They show the respect and the love. They teach us how to respect others, how we have to behave with the kindness, that love, sharing, everything. Only the grandparents will teach us, yes or no? They will tell beautiful stories, and with the help of the beautiful stories, they will tell us. Okay, now we are moving on to the family tree. Okay, family tree. What is family tree? Knowing the names of our parents, grandparents, great grandparents, and recording them in the form of a flow chart or in the form of branches of a tree is called as family tree. It is called as family tree. Okay, is that clear, everybody? What is family tree? Family tree means knowing the names. Okay, knowing the names of each and everyone, knowing the names of each and everybody. See, say for example, you know your father name or mother name. Okay, now, and you also know your grandfather name and grandmother name, but you sometimes maybe you don't know the great grandma, that is your the parents of your grandparents. Grandparents, Ajji Tata, father and mother. Okay, Ajji Tata's father and mother, whether you know their name or not. Okay, see, one important thing you are going to study today is the signs. Look at this sign. This is the male, the triangle. The triangle is male and circle is female. It's okay if it is not a triangle, also you can make it into square, like this, a square. Okay, the square that is shown in the page number 19 in your lesson. Okay, so we are going to teach about the signs of the family. See here, now in page number, you can see that page number 20. Can you see? They have given the first generation, second generation, and third generation, and fourth generation. They have given Manu, and first generation is Ramappa and Bhakyamma. Second generation, for that Ramappa and Bhakyamma, they have 4 children. See, Vinuta, Ravi, Raju, Ramya. Sorry, 2 boys. Okay, they have 2 boys, Ravi and Raju. For Ravi, they married Vinuta, and for Raju, they married Ramya. So Vinuta and Ravi married, and they got 2 children. One is Rakshita and Rakshit and Prema. For Raju and Ramya, they got Pallavi and Suma. See, Rakshit married Radha, and for them they have Priya and Manu. See, Priya is girl, Manu is boy. Square is boy, circle is girl. Okay, so for Suma and Charan, this side they got Kiran and Kirtana. Okay, so now we are going to see in page number 20. See, observe the examples in that picture, and you are going to write the relationships here. Okay, we are going to write the relationships. Okay, shall we move on to that relationships? First of all, they asked us to draw a simple family tree by using that sign. I told you, for male you draw a square, and for female you draw a circle. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so draw like that and write it. See, in that column, see here, circle and square means husband and wife. Circle is wife, square is husband. Say when they join together, and if they are showing the like this, if they are showing like this, then it is their children. Okay, it is like their children. In page number, I think, wait 1 minute, in page number 19, see, using this sign, they are asking us to draw a family tree. Okay, so family tree we can draw and we can write it. Okay, we can write it, that family tree with this making the symbols. See, in page number 21, they have asked, what is this? Elder sister and younger brother. This one, father, daughter, wife, husband, elder sister, younger brother, mother, daughter, next is father, daughter, next is elder brother, younger brother, next elder sister and younger sister. Okay, so shall we move on to the next one? See here, what they have asked, to fulfill the relationships. So you are going to find out the relationships. Okay, and you are going to draw. In page number 22, you are going to, they have given a box, you are going to write a family tree, and you are going to compare that with that Manu. Is that okay, children? You are going to draw and write it with compare it with Manu. Okay, See how many generations are there in my family, in Manu family. There were 4 generations there. Yes or no? Ramappa, first we have seen the first generation, next generation. Third generation was the parents, and the fourth one is Manu and his sister. Yes or no? Next, how many generations are there in your family? So go back to home and see how many of them are there at home. Whether if you are staying, if you are staying with your father, only father and mother, you ask your father what is the name of your great grandparents. Okay, great grandparents, and write it down. Then now you have to compare which one is bigger. Which one is bigger? Whether 4 generations name, if you know, then you are also equal to Manu. Okay, if you know only 3 generations, then you are less than him. Okay, so you are going to compare whether your family is bigger than Manu's or not. If you know 5 generations, then you are the bigger one. So you are the bigger family. Yes or no? Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. See here, they have asked you some symbols. See here, write whether yes or no in the family features. See, according to that, there in that features of the family, there are 2 generations in my family. Whether it is yes or no, you are going to tick it. We all are related. Yes or no, you tick it. The elders in the house are father and mother. If you have father and mother, put yes. If grandparents are there, then you write no there, because the elders are your grandparents. Size of the family is small. See, if your family is only with the father, mother and your sister, brother, like siblings means, then you write yes. No, if it is big means you should write no there. Okay, so now I am going to introduce a new topic. I am going to introduce a new topic that can you see here, nuclear family and joint family. I am going to introduce joint family and nuclear. See, a big family in which parents and children live with their grandparents and great grandparents in the same house for long time, even after they get married, is called joint family. Look at this picture. There are so many members are there. See here, a small family with only parents and children. So this is called as a nuclear family. This is nuclear family. See, first of all, we have to understand what are the benefits of living in a family. Living in a family. See, family is being a basic constituent of the community or society. It helps its members to lead a meaningful and successful life. Yes or no? So this is the benefits of everybody, those who are living in the family. It gives a security, and it helps us to love each and everybody. It helps us to maintain a discipline with the values, cultures. We learning many things and supporting the parents. Okay, so there are difference between nuclear family and joint family. As you see the picture, it shows nuclear family is very small and joint family is very big. Here only parents are there. Only parents can take decision, and you and parents, you ask anything, father will buy and give. But in the joint family, there are many, see here, grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, everybody is there. So see, one more important thing why I like joint family is great grandparents are there. They teach us many things. Okay, they are supporting us in all other works. Okay, see, if mummy is working making chapati means Aji will make a sabji. Okay, yes or no? Aji will make sabji, auntie will wash the vessels, somebody will clean the house. Like that, each and everybody can divide the work and they can do it. Okay, so this is what nuclear family and joint family. See, then they have given you few questions. See, how this generation, Manu's generation and your generation, how to compare. See, there are 4 generations in Manu's family, so all of them are living together in the same house. So they all have their meals together and they celebrate festivals and functions together because they all love to stay together. So they love their great grandfather, great grandmothers, and they give respect and they are taking care of each and everybody. So Manu is telling about his family. So now they are asking us, they wanted to compare that with us. Okay, they wanted to compare that joint family with the nuclear family, and also they are asking us to do an activity like, see, they wanted to prepare a family tree. So you have to ask your great grandparents names and write it. Okay, so for male you should put a square and for girl you should put a circle. Is that clear? So write it down. Here they have given a picture in page number 24. So they wanted you to write compare this picture and your picture, and then they wanted to give your opinion. You wanted to give the opinion for that. See, what are the similarities? Is anything similar to that photo? Then you should write what is that. Whether your auntie also be along with you, then write that similarity. Difference, you are living in small family, means only 2 members, 3 members are there. No? So like that you compare and write. See, and finally tell me what are the advantages and disadvantages in living a joint family. Okay, see, joint family means you can help each other. They teach us the importance of life and commitment in life. Yes or no? See, we are, if disadvantage means there will be too much of work, that that also we have to see, because too much of we have to cook. See, here for mummy, daddy, you and me, mummy will put only 1 tumbler of rice. See, for joint family means we have to cook too much of food, too much of groceries. We have to buy too many things, too many works. Here mummy sometimes for Deepavali she will prepare obbat, only 10 obbat or something. There we have to prepare 30, 40, 50 obbats we will share with it. But that is really happiest life, joint family. But still, I don't know what are the disadvantages. There is no such disadvantages. If you wanted to, you ask your mother. Okay, if I give no, I will give out of my own. So you go ask your mother and you write what is the disadvantages of joint family. What your mother is telling, write that. That will be correct, apt answer for this. Okay, in page number 25, children. Okay. Next thing, in page number 26, they are asked who is doing what type of work. See, if grandmother means grandmother always cook delicious food, you can write like that. She will help in cooking. Grandfather means he will teach. One more thing, children, you can even read this second lesson, nuclear test, English nuclear test lesson is there, no? From there also you can copy few things here. You can understand that lesson to here and compare and write. Okay, in that nuclear test, Anjali's grandfather, grandmother and parents, how they cook, what are the pujas grandmother is doing, all that things you compare and you write. You will get an idea about this. Okay, is that clear, children? Yes. So many important things is, what is the main thing about the family is caring and protection. Yes or no? Caring and protection. See, caring and protection, one another important thing I would like to tell you. See, this is the main important thing. They will take care of us very well. They will take care of us very well. Health, affection, fulfillment of necessities, love, education, respect for elders, cooperation, identification, nurturing, position in the society, habitual practices, living together, protection, coordination, improving relationships, blessings of the elders. This is the first main thing. I've read it in the last one, but still, blessings is very important, children. Whatever it may be, see, even if you are there, how I am telling you, see, if you get birthday, what you do? First you are calling your Ajji. If you are not here, if your Ajji Tata is not here with you, first thing what your parents are telling, hey, call Ajji Tata, inform them. So you call them, no, how much they wish you a blessed, that blessings only we need, that which helps us to grow very well, multiply. Okay, that's how we will multiply. So that's why when you see any elder people, please help them, show your love to them. Okay, taking care of them in their old age, shows makes you to grow very well. They will bless you in that time when they need help. If you go and help them, they will bless you. Okay, so sometimes that blessings will stay upon us till our last days. Okay, children. Then they last thing, they've in page number 29, they've given our rhymes. Open the door and you will see mother, father, sister and me. We are a little family of 4. We live and eat together for sure. I love my family. Oh yes, I do. My mother, father and sister too. They play with me and take me out. They love me too and I love them. My life I cannot think without my lovely little family of 4. Okay, so finally they have asked, what are the good qualities you learn from the family? What are the good qualities you learn from the family? You are going to write on seeing this picture. Now you are going to write this. Okay, see what are the things you are learning. Blessings of elders, coordination, living together, respect for elders, improving, what all the things we have read, all these are good qualities that you are going to learn from the family. So you have to copy all these things. Okay, next, why do I need a family? Family life help us to lead a meaningful life and successful life. That's why I need family. Okay, next one is that small families with only parents and children are called nuclear family. Joint family is a big family. So man is a social being. Unity in the family is important to have peace, security and happiness. Okay, is that clear, children? Is that clear? So we'll end up with this. So today we have seen about family. Okay, we have discussed about the family and family tree, and we wanted to make sure that draw that square and circle. Okay, that family tree and different kinds of family. What are the different kinds of family? That is joint family and nuclear family. Okay, so you should understand the responsibility of yours. See what are the responsibility, and then your parents and your grandparents, and then you should respect your elders, and you should take care of your parents in their old age. Never send them to old age home. Please keep them with you and take care of them very nicely. Show kindness through your selfless services. Okay, children. Thank you so much.